ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my home in Solana Beach, California. So today I have for you pesto chicken caprese salad. This is part of my summer workout and light recipe series. Subscribe to my channel because all through the summer I bring to you amazing workouts and light, delicious, healthy recipes to help fuel those workouts. Okay, so today I am all about simple, easy, healthy, and fast. There's no shame in my game. I will take shortcuts, and this is one of them. This is a great use of leftover chicken. Also, I buy store-bought pesto. Pesto's easy to make, but honestly, I will take shortcuts. I buy store-bought pesto, and then I will pump it up with, things that I like a little more pine nuts, maybe a little more garlic in it, just to give it an extra punch. Fresh, I think they're heirloom, fresh heirloom cherry tomatoes, fresh little bocconcini mozzarella balls, and you can also toss it with a little bit of whole wheat penne pasta if you want. I do that for Oliver. I stay away from it. My body doesn't do well on that many carbs, but delicious. Let me show you how I made it. Okay, ladies, and that's the dish. Chicken pesto caprese salad. Now, I will usually keep 2 containers of this in the refrigerator. One for me without the pasta, one for Oliver with the whole wheat pasta. That just keeps it a little more figure friendly. All right, simple, whole, healthy, easy ingredients. Get it, the recipe is down below in the video description. And for all things health, wellness, beauty, fitness, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.